On YouTube in a while, so let me do this correct, boy. What it do? It's your boy. I'm finally back, finally doing my vlogs again. But this time, I actually gonna be step by step how to do everything. Yes, I'm still a noob at this. I would bring the Z inside the garage, but we are renovating. Look, we've been working on my dad's truck. Something went wrong with it, so we've been kind of fixing that. So we have a mess inside. But I'm gonna start taking off the wrap off the Z. And I'm gonna be giving you guys step by step how to wrap some things like your hood, your door, some little parts of some of the Z stuff that, you know, a lot of people don't know how to do. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to do all that. And I will be wrapping an Evo, I think next week or a week. I don't even know if it's next week. Is it next week? No, next week I'll be in Cali. So in 2 weeks I'll be wrapping an Evo, just the roof. So no, beep that. Alright, but I will be wrapping an Evo. I'll be wrapping their hood. I'll be wrapping the roof of their car, so I can kind of teach you guys how to wrap the roof on those type of cars also, and step by step also how to do everything. But let's get down to it. Sad day, very sad day. But the new color will be something different. Maybe a lot of you guys might like it, not like it, but it's just something different. After that, I actually have another color I'm actually gonna do. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that also. All right, guys, let's get it. Boy Johnny ain't here, so I'm gonna try to edit like Johnny. All right, I'm gonna try to do a little BTS or what I think was called B-rolls or something. But here it goes.
Hello, boy. Oh my God.
Yeah, that was an epic fail, but I tried. But here, we're about to take this off. This is for all my ASMR listeners. I know you guys like this little orgasm for your ears. Oh yeah, daddy. Ooh, yeah. Oh. Damn. Ooh. But just like that, wrap is off. See, I can take this off. Nope, that's just, nope. Wait. Oh. Let's go. But just like that, the Z is basically back to the grayish primer color it had and the stock color it had. But I think that's probably gonna be it. Weather sucks, so the wrap kind of takes forever to come off, and it's raining, so I can't really prep anything, and my wrap is not here yet. So what I'm gonna try to do is, ooh, the lighting sucked right there. So what I'm gonna try to do is, until my wrap gets here, I'm gonna bust out content for you guys. I am gonna be going to Cali, and I will be collabing with Johnny. Y'all know my good boy Johnny. I'll blink his ass somewhere right here. And if it's not here, future me, don't make me look stupid. But hopefully it's there. But let me try again. If it's not, it's probably gonna be right here. Right, I'm gonna try to get everything done. I'm gonna bust out more content for you guys and more DIYs, because I do get DMs how to do this, how to do that, where to get this, about specs, my camber and all that. But I'm gonna try my best to answer everything you need. And if all you guys gotta do is just subscribe, like, share it out, and if you do need anything, just DM or comment down so I know what you guys want to see, so I can try to help you out more. Alright guys, thank you for giving me an opportunity. See you guys in the next video.
All I gotta say, stay away from the fake. I just told that bitch to give me face, get out my place. We got on revenge, you shop by pillars day to day. Make $250,000 in a month, ain't got the date. I just wanna feed my family like every day.